Hi guys, this is Davi Nogueira, your realtor in the Los Angeles area. Today we're going to talk about should you borrow against your 401k to buy a property. The answer is no on the majority of the cases, but there is this one specific scenario where it would be worth doing so. There are other scenarios, of course, but I'm gonna go through this specific one just so you understand it. So there's this triplex in the neighborhood of SERENO in LA. It's a vacant triplex, which is really hard to find under $1 million. However, it does need a lot of work. Now, you can still buy the triplex at 3.5 down at $750,000 if you qualify by income, of course. Now, if you don't have the money to repair all 3 units to get it rented, you could go ahead and borrow against your 401k. So assuming your employer will allow you to borrow up to $50,000 and then repay at a specific amount, specific time frame that you guys agree on. Let's just say the interest rate is about 2%, right? This property is listed at $750,000. After remodeling the property and getting it rented at market rents, it's gonna be worth a minimum of $915,000, which makes it, in my opinion, totally worth it, because not only you got the equity and you can pull some money out, pay back your 401k when you're done, you also get the cash flow, because the rents in the area in El Sereno will be pretty high. Especially at this price point, your monthly payment won't be as high as the rents will be, which is pretty good. So if you guys want to learn about how to buy the right property, how to add on to properties, and how to lower your cost of living, keep watching the videos. I'm gonna keep posting more videos like this so I can help people get into their first home and not only make that mortgage payment, but lower their cost of living and also gain equity. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the website and sign up for the curated list that you get every week. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.